Hello, I am Azmat Hussain Tahir, and today's video is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing Complete Course Step by Step in English. In today's video, I will tell only about my course outline. I am going to start this course after 1 month. The starting date of the course is 10th December 2022, and my two lectures will be uploaded on Saturday and Sunday. You see the outline of my course, and if you want to suggest me something, then definitely suggest in comment. Whoever wants to take any type of question from me related to Amazon or related to Amazon KDP, then I am mentioning my number. You ask me, I will guide him best, inshallah. My number is +92 314 4610 261. If you like this video of mine, then you must give me your opinion in comment. People who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks. Now let's see the outline of your course. I have divided my course into 5 modules, and each module has all the subheadings. And see my outline. Module 1, Introduction to Kindle Direct Publishing, and subheadings: Basics of Amazon and Self Publishing, Overview of the KDP book publishing process, Amazon Kindle account creation. Module 2, Overview of KDP account, Kindle account dashboard, book listing creation, single and series, pen names, and author central page, how to upload new books under the same author name. Module 3, Book hunting for KDP, niche research, how to find a profitable niche, paperback, ebook, hardcover, does and don'ts, book categories, subcategories, title, subtitle, description, and backend keywords. And next one is keyword research, competitor analysis, calculate estimated sales of competitor, royalties, profit calculation, setting the list price of your book, book hunting techniques and tools, getting a bestseller badge from Amazon, benchmarks of Amazon and actual sales. Next one module is module number 4, book planning, creation and designing. In book planning, overview of book planning, important does and don't while planning your book, basic guideline to follow while planning your book, key points to avoid book rejection from Amazon. Book creation, overview of book creation, value addition with respect to existing competition, 7-step book creation process, proofreading and editing process, things you must know before approving your final interior and manuscripts. Then book design and formatting. Overview, cover design, how to make sure your book has a perfect cover, examples of good and bad cover design, book interior designing and formatting, examples of good and bad formatting. And last one is final checklist. And next module number 5, book launch, promotion and marketing, overview of Amazon SEO ranking factors, how to position your book, launch plan for multiple markets, how to get reviews in legitimate ways, Kindle discounted and free promotions, overview of Amazon ads, breakdown of matrices, manual bidding versus automatic campaign, ads placement, split testing, sponsor ads, display ads, and lock screen ads. And next one is dynamic bids, and adjusting ad bids. And next, advanced PPC strategies for optimizing ACOS and high profitability. Advanced book marketing tips and tricks, social media marketing, additional ways to promote your books, and last one is influencer marketing and how to monitor its effects. If you like this video, then you like, share my channel more and more. Thanks.